People rarely fear the loudest person in the room. They fear the one who says nothing, watches everything, and understands more than anyone realizes. Sigma empaths terrify people not because they raise their voice, but because they don't need to. Their calm exposes chaos. Their silence reveals intention. Their presence alone forces others to confront the parts of themselves they usually hide. And deep down, people sense it. This quiet mind is reading them, evaluating them, understanding them in ways they cannot control.
There is a moment, usually subtle, when someone interacting with a Sigma empath realizes the power dynamic has shifted. Not through threat, conflict, or superiority, but through awareness. The Sigma empath has already seen the motive behind the smile, the insecurity behind the arrogance, the lie behind the charm. And the terrifying part? They don't react. They simply adjust their energy, withdraw their access, or let silence do the work. Nothing unsettles a person more than facing someone they cannot manipulate, confuse, or intimidate. If you've ever wondered why people grow nervous, defensive, or strangely respectful around quiet individuals with deep intuition, this video will reveal the psychology behind that invisible influence. Before we continue, tell me in the comments, do people become uncomfortable when you stay silent? And if you're watching until the end, type quiet power so I can see who the real Sigma empaths are here. Make sure you subscribe, because what's coming next will make you understand your mind in ways you never imagined. Their silence exposes people's intentions, making others feel seen in ways they can't hide from. When a Sigma empath grows quiet, something powerful shifts in the room. Most people use noise to distract, exaggerate, defend, or disguise themselves. But silence? Silence removes the mask. And Sigma empaths know how to hold silence with a precision that feels surgical. They listen without rushing to fill the space, observe without reacting, and allow the other person's true nature to surface in the stillness. It's in that quiet that people reveal the things they never meant to show: insecurity leaking through nervous laughter, jealousy hidden behind forced kindness, motives exposed in the tone between their words. Silence becomes the mirror they can't escape, and being seen that clearly terrifies them. What unsettles people most is not that the Sigma empath is analyzing, it's that they're impossible to manipulate. When someone tries to impress, the silence reveals desperation. When someone lies, the silence shows the inconsistency. When someone hopes to gain control, the silence highlights how little power they actually have. It is a subtle unraveling. The Sigma empath doesn't confront or accuse, they simply watch, absorbing every micro-expression, every shift in energy, every contradiction. And the other person, feeling the weight of that unspoken awareness, begins to act differently, more carefully, more nervously, more transparently. People fear this because they cannot predict what the Sigma empath knows or how much they've already seen. A quiet stare feels like an X-ray. A thoughtful pause feels like a verdict. Their silence is not empty, it is full of recognition. And for those who prefer to hide behind charm, noise, or performance, being quietly understood is more threatening than any raised voice could ever be. Their emotional control destabilizes people who rely on drama, conflict, or manipulation. Sigma empaths don't react the way most people expect. When someone tries to provoke them, their calm becomes unsettling. When others attempt to spark conflict, their stillness absorbs the tension instead of fueling it. And when manipulation is used to force an emotional response, the Sigma empath's steady expression makes the manipulator feel exposed and powerless. People who depend on chaos quickly learn that their usual tactics fall flat. They can't pull the Sigma empath into an argument, can't push their buttons, can't twist their emotions into leverage. Because emotional control is the Sigma empath's quiet weapon, one that disarms anyone who feeds off drama. This composure isn't accidental. It's built from years of recognizing that emotional turbulence is often engineered by those who fear losing control. Instead of reacting impulsively, Sigma empaths pause. They observe the motive behind the outburst, the fear behind the anger, the insecurity behind the manipulation. And that pause is what terrifies people. They lose power the moment their emotional trap doesn't work. They realize they cannot dominate the interaction, cannot script the outcome, cannot shake someone who won't rise to the bait. Conflict becomes one-sided, and drama becomes irrelevant. Manipulators, especially, feel threatened by this kind of stability. Their strategies rely on emotional reactivity, tears, anger, guilt, defensiveness, anything that shifts control in their favor. But with a Sigma empath, none of it lands. The calm gaze, the grounded tone, the unbothered presence all communicate one message: your chaos doesn't move me. And that message hits harder than any argument. People fear those they cannot manipulate, and they respect those they cannot destabilize. A Sigma empath's emotional control is not passive, it is dominance in its quietest form. They see through masks instantly, making others fear being truly understood. Most people spend their lives carefully constructing versions of themselves, versions meant to impress, protect, manipulate, or hide. But when a Sigma empath looks at someone, those layers become transparent. They don't need confessions or explanations. One glance at body language, one shift in tone, one flicker in the eyes is enough for them to decode the truth beneath the mask. And that truth, especially the parts someone hoped to conceal, creates an uncomfortable vulnerability. People sense it immediately. This person sees me too clearly. It's not judgment they fear, it's exposure. Sigma empaths perceive the difference between who someone pretends to be and who they actually are. They recognize forced confidence, hollow kindness, disguised envy, concealed insecurity. They can tell when a person's smile is a shield or when their charm is bait. And because Sigma empaths don't call it out, the impact is even more unsettling. The other person feels naked in their presence, unsure how much has already been noticed, how much is still being silently decoded. It's like standing under a spotlight you didn't realize was turned on. This instinctive insight is dangerous to those who rely on deception. They can't perform around a Sigma empath. They can't exaggerate, manipulate, or mask their motives without feeling the empath's inner radar catching every detail. And when someone realizes their facade isn't working, fear creeps in. Because being fully seen means losing control of the narrative they've built. The Sigma empath's gift isn't that they expose people, it's that they don't need to. Their presence alone reveals what's real. And for many, the idea of being understood that deeply, that effortlessly, is more terrifying than confrontation itself. Their calm presence forces insecure people to confront their own behavior. When a Sigma empath enters a room, they don't bring noise, tension, or competition. They bring a stillness that unsettles anyone who hides behind insecurity or emotional volatility. Their quiet confidence doesn't challenge others directly. It challenges them internally. Without aggressive reactions or defensive energy, insecure people suddenly have nothing to push against, nothing to blame, nothing to distract from their own flaws. The calm becomes a mirror, and the reflection is uncomfortable. People who depend on chaos feel exposed around this kind of tranquility. Their overreactions, attention-seeking, and emotional games look louder and more obvious in contrast to the empath's steady presence. It's the kind of calm that reveals intention without a single word. A Sigma empath doesn't need to point out someone's cruelty, inconsistency, or manipulation. The person feels it themselves, simply by being in the empath's quiet orbit. It becomes clear who is grounded and who is performing. And for the insecure, that comparison feels like judgment, even when no judgment is being given. This subtle psychological pressure is why some people become defensive or irritated around Sigma empaths without knowing why. The empath's composed energy highlights every place the other person lacks self-control or integrity. Their inability to stay collected becomes more noticeable.
Their emotional instability becomes harder to excuse. And the more steady the Sigma Empath remains, the more the insecure person spirals. The Sigma Empath never intends to provoke this reaction. They simply embody emotional mastery. But that mastery exposes the truth. Some people aren't afraid of being judged. They're afraid of being seen next to someone who doesn't need validation, dominance, or noise to hold power. The calm of a Sigma Empath doesn't silence others. It makes them hear themselves clearly for the first time.
They cannot be intimidated, guilt-tripped, or emotionally baited, and that scares those who depend on control. There's a moment manipulators dread, the second they realize their tactics fall flat. With a Sigma Empath, that moment arrives early and unmistakably. Intimidation doesn't work because the empath doesn't respond to force. Guilt doesn't move them because they recognize emotional traps instantly. And baiting them into conflict only exposes the other person's desperation. Their calm refusal to engage in manipulation is not passive, it's power in its purest form. It communicates one message clearly: you don't control the outcome here. People who rely on emotional leverage feel powerless around them. They expect reactions: fear, confusion, guilt, compliance, but all they get is quiet clarity. A Sigma Empath will listen without absorbing. They will observe without getting entangled. And that detachment terrifies those who survive on pulling strings. When you can't provoke someone, you can't predict them. When you can't guilt them, you can't guide them. When you can't intimidate them, you can't dominate them. That alone dismantles the entire strategy of anyone who depends on control to feel significant. Most manipulators operate by exploiting emotional weakness, but Sigma Empaths learned early that emotional steadiness is their shield. They can sense the shift in intention, the twisting of words, the subtle pressure to react, and instead of collapsing, they step back with surgical precision. This composure is not coldness, it is self-mastery. And self-mastery is the one thing a controlling person cannot influence or break. What makes them truly frightening to manipulators is this: a Sigma Empath is not controllable, not persuadable by fear, not vulnerable to emotional chaos. They don't fight for dominance. They simply remove themselves from the game, leaving the other person exposed, powerless, and confronted with their own lack of influence. Their intuition predicts motives before actions, making people feel transparent around them.
There's an unnerving kind of accuracy in a Sigma Empath's intuition, one that doesn't wait for evidence, confessions, or confrontation. They register motives long before a single move is made, and that foresight makes people feel exposed in ways they can't explain. Someone may smile, offer kindness, or speak with warmth, but the empath senses the intention beneath the surface, the ambition, the resentment, the curiosity, the envy, the need. It's not magic. It's a lifetime of reading patterns, micro-behaviors, tone shifts, and emotional undercurrents so consistently that predicting someone's next step becomes second nature. And nothing unsettles a person more than realizing their thoughts are louder than their words. When someone with unclear or self-serving motives stands in front of a Sigma Empath, they often feel stripped of their defenses. They sense that their charm won't land correctly, their lies won't breathe, their excuses won't stretch far enough. The empath is already 3 moves ahead, not because they're suspicious, but because they've spent years surviving by understanding what people want before those people understand it themselves. This anticipation gives them the calm confidence to navigate interactions with precision instead of anxiety. They don't fear disappointment. They expect honesty from reality, not from illusions. What truly frightens people is that the Sigma Empath doesn't confront them or call them out. They simply adjust, quietly, quickly, without drama. They speak less, invest less, reveal less. And that's when the other person realizes the truth. The empath saw the intention long before the action appeared. Being read so deeply creates a sense of vulnerability in others, as if their secrets are suddenly visible, their motives loud, and their plans predictable. The Sigma Empath's intuition doesn't just read people, it disarms them.
They walk away without arguing, proving they don't need dominance to hold power. When a Sigma empath decides to leave a situation, they don't slam doors, raise their voice, or fight for the last word. They withdraw with a calm finality that hits harder than any confrontation ever could. Their silence isn't passive, it's decisive. It signals that they've seen enough, understood enough, and reached a point where preserving their peace matters more than convincing anyone of their worth. People expect tension, explanations, emotional outbursts, something they can negotiate with or push against. Instead, the empath gives them nothing. And in that nothingness, the power dynamic shifts entirely. Those who depended on manipulation, guilt, or argument suddenly lose every tool they relied on. You can't control someone who doesn't engage. You can't twist the emotions of someone who has already reclaimed them. And you can't win a battle against a person who refuses to step onto the battlefield. So the moment the empath calmly walks away, the other person is forced to confront their own behavior in the echo of that silence. There is no scene, no chaos, no drama. Just a clean, deliberate exit that speaks louder than any accusations ever could. What unsettles people most is how final it feels. Sigma empaths do not leave halfway. They leave when the connection is already dissolved internally, when every attempt to fix things has been exhausted, when staying would require them to betray themselves. And because their departure isn't fueled by anger, there is nothing to argue against, nothing to repair, nothing to manipulate. It's the quietest expression of power, a self-respect so solid that it cannot be pulled back once released. Their walkaway is not an escape, it is a declaration of inner authority. When a Sigma empath moves through the world this way, with quiet clarity, unshakable intuition, and a calm that exposes everything around them, it becomes obvious why people fear what they cannot influence. Their power isn't loud, dramatic, or forceful. It's the kind that reveals truths, shifts dynamics, and reshapes relationships without a single raised voice. And if you felt these patterns in your own life, you're already stepping into the Sigma empath energy people don't forget. Before you leave, ask yourself this: which one of these signs do you feel the strongest in yourself? Drop the word untouchable in the comments so I know you stayed with me until the end. And if you're new here, make sure you subscribe to Brainy Empath. You don't want to miss what comes next.